Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your screen time in the TikTok app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open the TikTok app. It usually opens up in the home menu showing funny videos, but we have to go into the profile menu. Here in the top right corner there is these three lines. We have to tap on those. From here we go into settings and privacy, scroll down, and here we can see screen time. We tap on this, it loads, and here you can set your daily maximum, for example, and check the statistics of how much you have used it in the past week or month. So yeah, that's it. You can set screen time breaks, also sleep reminders, weekly screen time updates. Basically you can do everything that relates to app usage here. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.